Hi, after downloading your project, which is in Sketch Management, you have to extract this project. So I will just extract it here. Extract in Sketch Management. Once this is extracted, you just have to search for the folder, open that folder and copy the folder which is inside the in Sketch Management folder and paste it into C XAMPP, and then you have to navigate to htdocs. From htdocs, you just have to paste it here. Once this is pasted, we just have to wait for a moment. Okay, done. Once pasted, you have to go to your XAMPP controller. From there, you have to start Apache and MySQL server. Once this server has started, you have to go to MySQL admin. Okay, now you have to go to a new. Before going to new, let me just open that in Sketch Management folder. Here you can see that we have phpMyAdmin folder situated in Sketch Management. You just have to open that folder and see that database name, which is management underscore system. So we have to navigate here and create a new database with the name management system. It has been created. Now we will go to the import tag on the navigation and choose a file. Here we will navigate to our XAMPP folder. From XAMPP, we will navigate to htdocs. From htdocs in Sketch Management and then phpMyAdmin. Then open this file and click import. Once this is imported, you can see all of the queries has run successfully. If any error is found, you can go to operations, delete or drop the database, and then again start from scratch. Once this has been done, you just have to go here and write localhost / in Sketch Management. As you can see in the video, press enter. You will be opened with this kind of interface. Here we can see that we have any user or not. So we can see that there is no user. So we will go to here and then we will sign up. We can write any username, for example, test email, test@gmail.com, testing and password should be testing. Wait a minute. Fine. Okay, once we have signed up, now we can refresh this page, and here we can see that we have our username, which is testing. We have our email, which is test@gmail.com. Password is in the form of hashing. We have again our name and our contact, which we can add after logging into our profile. Once this is done, we can write our username and password and press login. Once we are logged in, we will be greeted with this kind of interface, which is enter today's activity, in which we can enter any sort of activity which we have done today. There is a checkbox which is put it in savings. If we have any savings fund which are submitted into our system, we can check this box, and this will be added in or credited into our savings fund. From here, we can see that we have a home which we are currently at. Then we have this kind of uh, financial information table, which we can see that our incoming funds and here we can see that our outgoing funds. This will show us about the activities which we have done recently, and all of the total amount which we have cashed out. We will be presented here. The amount we have entered into our system will be presented here, and total savings which we have done earlier. Then we have this analytics sidebar. This chart is dynamic, which will transform accordingly once we enter that our records into our database table, which is in the form of activities. Similarly, this chart will also be updated once we update our database with the data, test data. Then we have a settings. From here, we can add contact. Location will be automatically picked. Then we have a master key, which can't be changed. Master key is a type of password, and instance which is a type of niche which we are working. Then we have a secondary option, which is delete job by to 2023 or 2022. If we have added any jobs or activities in the time of project, we can press these buttons to perform those kind of operations. Then we have a output file which we can generate, or it's kind of a report, more of a report which we can generate. We can enter the length or width or height of the paper to match that format, and then we just have to press save in order to print that file. So here we have a logout button. We can press logout, and we are logged out of now the system. So this is the whole time of the project.